Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I know my hair looked like a hot mess, but we are going to use a product that a company sent to me, and I am super excited to use this product. So firstly, my hair is washed and I use my Daily Sparkles oils before I blow my hair out, in which these are the three oils that we use. We have the Malea oil, the castor oil, and the rice bran oil. So these are the three oils. I put them in a bottle, shake it up, and I use it in my hair. I massage my hair and so forth. So today I'll be using a product to flat out my hair and show you guys. And this is my real hair, so I'm just gonna show you guys. And this is the product. This is the Duvolle styling iron, okay? And it is from Duvolle. I really do like it. The packaging is cute and so this is it, guys. Let me show it to you guys. So we're gonna do like this to open it. I have opened it already, so it's not that neat because we did go through it already, and it's super cute. You can always put it back in the package, and it's also pink. So this is it. I'm super excited. And guys, this is it. The name is on it. It says Duvolle, and we have a long card. The card is super long. We are gonna plug it up and get this thing started. So I'm super excited. It goes up to 450 degrees. Yes, and it do have the buttons right inside where you see on and off. So you can see that, and you can turn it from 140 degrees to 450 degrees. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, let's get into this hair. I'm definitely gonna just use a rat tail comb like this. And how I do my hair is I like to just brush it out first. And I like to just make a little part like so. And bring everything down. I do not go from back to front. I like to start anywhere I feel like. So I'm just gonna do a test and show it to you guys. Ooh. I like it. So this is it. It doesn't look trashy or nothing. It's perfect. So we are going, that's just a tester, guys. So this is what I'm gonna do. And guys, this is just my way. You don't have to do it like this, but this is just my way. We're gonna put this part in a ponytail, and I'm gonna just start from around the back and work my way up to the front. So the first thing is for me to part. Ooh. And then we're just gonna keep going. So guys, we are completely done with one side. As you guys can see, we are done with this side and it's looking absolutely wonderful. Now we are onto this side, where we're gonna get this side bone straight like this one. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? So I'm gonna do the same thing where we're gonna start from the back and we're gonna work our way up. Okay guys, so we are almost at the top. Well, we are at the top rather. We're just gonna finish up. Hey guys, so we are gonna finish up, and as you guys can see, this flat iron, styling iron, whatever you want to call it, is hella nice. It's super nice. You know, the color is also spectacular. So this is it guys, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fix my edges and show you guys the finish. So I'm just adding my Daily Sparkles edge control, just a little bit on my edges, just to fix around the earline. To fix everything. Alright guys, so this is it. I like to put a little bend to the ends. This is it, and I still leave it a little bit bouncy. Therefore I did not go over too much because I like my hair to feel bouncy, and then there's not a lot of oil, so you want it to be bouncy. If you're gonna rock your real hair, don't weigh it down with too much oil or grease, so it's perfect. So guys, this is it. And if you guys are interested in the Duvolle styling iron, you can purchase it on their website at duvolle.com, and you can use my code, which is WatchCrissyWork, and save some money. Also too, I do have the spin burst system. I use that already, where you guys can just use my code and save some money with Duvolle. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you get this styling iron, yeah, so your hair can be flashy like mine's, and I like it. You like it guys? Comment down below and tell me if you like it. And this is it. So make sure you guys go and get this, and it's it's pretty because it has a pretty color and stuff like that, and it goes up to 450 degrees, so it gets super hot. You don't have to have it that hot. You can turn it down and use it. So I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe as usual. And until my next upload, Make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell a friend, make sure you get this styling iron from Duvolle and use my discount code. All right, until next time, bye.